Hey guys, so today we are gonna do a weekend plan. We're gonna do weekend plannings. We're gonna talk about how the market's moving and stuff. So I guess what I'm gonna call it for now, I think I'm gonna call it from now on weekend plannings. Like every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, basically every Saturday and Sunday, the market doesn't move. Well, in the Philippines, I'm in the Philippines right now, so um markets won't move on Saturday and Sunday. So today it's Sunday, and we're gonna talk about my trade. Last around Wednesday in the Philippines, Wednesday. So, okay. First, we're gonna go 1 hour time frame. All right, we're gonna talk about my trade again. Made strategy M for movement again. Movement or movement direction. The wait movement. What do you call it? It's movement or market direction there. M is either movement or market direction. So basically, if you guys can see, 1 hour, the market direction is going down. See, if you see the daily time frame, you see it's downtrending. 4 hour, it's downtrending. 1 hour, it's downtrending. But, but if you see here, okay, for now we're gonna go. Okay, wait, hold on. We're still going to be on market direction. Okay, we're still on M, market direction. It's a reversal. If you can see here, what do you guys see? I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's an upside down head and shoulders. So, let's research it. Upside down head. Oh shit. There. If you see that, that's a reversal pattern for Forex. That's basically a reversal pattern, see? This doesn't work all the time, but you need cuz why? Cuz you need more than like just this pattern. Sometimes this pattern works, sometimes it doesn't. So you have to add more confluence or more like strategy. Like you have to add more. Like is it really gonna reverse or it's just gonna fake you out? You gotta add more stuff. Yeah, you gotta add like candle confirmation breaks and everything, trend line breaks and stuff. So how do I know it's gonna reverse? Well, okay, first again, movement. Now I say it's an uptrend. I'm predicting it's an uptrend. Next, A alignment. Alright, for R, we see a reversal here also. See, it stopped over here. For R daily, see, it stopped here, here, and here. So, my prediction was it's gonna go up. How far is it gonna go up? I guess around over here. Because it could either stop in this trend line or this trend line. Once it retests like this, breaks this, or breaks this wait, high. It's a downtrend, so lower low. Wait, no, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, so if it breaks this lower high, does this break retest strategy go up? Then I'm gonna buy till probably at the highest point. Buy until here. For now, since like it's a reversal, but like there's like you see there's like resistance over here. It goes back down a little bit, so I'm gonna put my trade until over here. And okay, wait, okay, alignment's done. We already put our trend lines. Alignment here. Okay, on 1 hour also, there's still something about alignment. All right, we got a supply here. It broke, right? A big green candlestick. Big candle. So I took a buy. I have to. It looked too good. Plus, look, head and shoulders break this trend line. Beautiful. It's so perfect. Look at this. Head and shoulders. Plus, there's like a downtrend. It broke. Retest. Give us another big candle. Okay. That's really good. Trend line break. Trend line break. Alignment. Then mate. So M for movement. A for alignment. T for timing. Okay. My timing is to break this. To break this. Yeah, to break this. Honestly, I could have enter here more earlier, but like how do I say this? I was hesitant because it's like a new thing to it's like a new thing to me, you know. I mean, I've tested it out, but I was hesitant. Why? Because I haven't used this type of thing before, you know. I mean, I know this strategy, you know. I've been testing it out and stuff, but it's kind of new to me. Before, I'd be focusing on doing this, you know. This is a different strat, you know. This one is a more improved strategy. A more improved. It's basically a bit new. It's not like super new, like I added so much stuff to it. It's just like more like, how do I say this? Like this works in like in this market condition, you know. Since Donald Trump became the president, you know, this strategy I tried to do, it's not like as consistent. I didn't lose a lot of money since I have risk management, but again, you know, I have to like adapt to the market conditions, adapt. So for now, I'm gonna adapt to this. For me, I think the best for this market condition right now in 2025 is focus on 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. And you know what? I might even trade less, even less, because I be trading like once a week. I might be trading maybe I'll maybe even trade like once a month, either once a month or twice a month. It really depends. Before it was like four or five, 4 or 5 trades a month. Now it could be either 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. It really depends. That's my goal, you know. Again, trading more doesn't mean more profits. All right. So where are we? All right, we are in timing. So it's either a break or candle confirmation. That works too. Break and retest. You can see it's a reverse already. See, downtrending. Boom. Break this. Retest. It looked too good. Big candle. Boom. All right, and if you guys realize, the 1 hour, bro, we are uptrending like crazy. It is a perfect trend line. Perfect. Plus we got a supply over here. Boom. See, look. Supply. Boom. Rejected this supply right here. Oh no, it's not supply. Sorry, it's not supply, guys. It's demand zone. Oh my gosh, I'm always getting confused. It's a demand zone. See? Look, demand zone. Went up. Respected this demand zone. Respected the trend line. Boom, went up. I didn't break even yet. But now, look at this, guys. So you see this, look. Went up. Went up. Boom, it broke this. It broke this. Plus, if you see this right here. See, we got resistance from here. From over there. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? So what do I think about this? I'm a break even. Why? It's first of all, it did a little bump above this where I bought. Again, my strategy is if it does this above my buy, this is where I bought, and if it has a little bump and it broke, see it broke a little bit. Retest this too. I have to break even, or it really depends because on Monday we gotta see how it's going. If it's still going up on Monday like it does this, I'm breaking even. I don't care. So yeah, that's my strategy. That's how I'm doing it. That's how I'm doing it. So my plan is I'm gonna break even. Simple as that. Why? Look. Boom. Breaks this resistance. Retest and went up. 4 candles. As soon as I saw that, breaking even. Simple as that. I'm breaking even. I don't care. Yeah, we're breaking even. We're breaking even. Alright, that's my plan. Breaking even. So again, so we're in timing, right? Timing, retest, and E for entry or execution. So once everything's set up, the movement, the alignment, the timing, the big green candle, the trend line breaks, the last thing I gotta do is do entry or execution. And that's what I did. I entered the trade beside the big green candle. I should have traded earlier, but then I was hesitant. But yeah. So if you realize my pips is like around 147, 150 pips. But I'm still risking $40. But before my pips was just like 40 pips only. But now since I want to go full on trade mode, focus on 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. I'm going full on swing trade mode. Baby, I'm going full on swing trade. So yeah, that's my plan for episode 1 on weekend planning or whatever. I'm gonna choose what title what title is it gonna be for this video. I'm gonna choose. So yeah, guys, if you guys are still watching, thank you for watching. This is my plan in Forex. So right now, I feel like sooner or later, the market's gonna go up. I think it's gonna reverse. It's actually gonna reverse. I think it's gonna reverse. It's gonna start doing an uptrend. It's either gonna go an uptrend, or if it's still gonna sell, guys. If it's still gonna sell, I will be It really depends, because if it's really gonna sell, it has to break this. If it breaks this, damn, we gotta focus on it. Probably gonna go here. Who knows? Alright, guys, this was my plan. Thank you guys again for watching, and see you guys next time on my trading plan.